At the point when an automaker leaves business, there will undoubtedly be individuals who wish that the organization could even now assemble new autos. For example, there are many individuals that desire that Buick or GMC were murdered off rather than Pontiac, so we could have an advanced form of the Firebird. There are numerous brands that we'd get a kick out of the chance to see get breathed life into back. On account of the people over at Budget Direct, we would now be able to perceive what 7 autos from ceased brands would look like in the event that they were as yet worked in 2018. The principal auto that was rendered was the 1971 Plymouth Barracuda. The Barracuda was worked from 1964 and 1974, yet the 1971 model is effectively the most unbelievable. Plymouth was closed down in 2001 after conclusive merger talks amongst Daimler and Chrysler. The Barracuda was fundamentally the same as the Dodge Challenger at the time, and another model could be fueled by the Hellcat or Demon drivetrain. The Oldsmobile Cutlass is another muscle auto that would look stunning on the off chance that it was as yet constructed today. The Cutlass was worked from 1961 and 1988, on the other hand from 1997 to 1999. Oldsmobile was murdered off in 2004, preceding GM experienced its Chapter 11 of every 2008. We would love to have a full-measure car based on GM's new Alpha stage, controlled by the supercharged LT4 V8.